Nick Schuler, who's at the podium, will be giving us this update here in just a minute as they are organizing all their crews that we have seen.
Today at about 11:27, we received a report of a vegetation fire on Interstate 15 just south of Highway 76. Multiple agencies responded very quickly and efficiently. When we arrived at scene, we had a 2 to 3 acre fire that quickly spread westbound. We were expecting significant Santa Ana winds, and those winds exceeded 35 miles an hour. That quickly spread the fire to 175 acres, then 500 acres, and now we currently sit at 4,100 acres. Currently, there have been 20 structures destroyed, 12 structures damaged, and the fire continues to move west towards the cities of Oceanside and Camp Pendleton. We did have 3 confirmed civilian injuries that resulted from burns they received today. This fire is in unified command between CAL FIRE, the City of Oceanside Fire Department, North County Fire Protection District, the Vista Fire Department, and the San Diego County Sheriff's Department. We have numerous evacuation orders in place and more to follow. If you're looking for information, we ask you to go to San Diego County Emergency.com. We've activated the Defense Support of Civilian Authority, which allows us to use military and Navy helicopters, which will be flying the fire tomorrow morning. We have resources from across California and resources that are arriving from out of state as we speak. With that, I'll open up to any questions you may have. Yeah, during the initial phases of the fire, as people were trying to evacuate, this fire was being fanned by Santa Ana winds, and people could not get out of their homes fast enough. Unfortunately, that's how 3 of the burn injuries occurred. So far, we've had 1 firefighter who sustained smoke inhalation and another firefighter with a dislocated shoulder. The community of Bonsall, Vista, Oceanside, and our biggest concern as it continues to move into Oceanside, as well as Camp Pendleton.
Any spots specifically in Oceanside? It's very popular.
Yeah, as we sit here near the Olive Hill area, you can see how quickly the fire is being fanned by the Santa Ana winds, how rapidly it's moving. So as people are looking at this, they're often asking themselves, is it time for me to evacuate? If they're concerned, they need to go. They need to understand that the conditions we're being exposed to now are greater than what you would see on your average bad fire day. So they need to have a plan. They need to leave early, gather their materials. 2 challenges. One is going to be the wind, as you can see, based upon what it's already done. And secondly, part of it's going to be firefighter fatigue. We have numerous fires burning in Southern California. Fortunately, we have quite a few resources here in San Diego County due to the upstaffing by all fire agencies. So perimeter control and structure defense are going to be our #1 priorities, along with life safety.
Are you going to be moving any workers into the Oceanside and Pendleton areas?
Yeah, as part of the discussions that occur with the folks behind me, looking at not only what the fire is doing now, but what it's going to be doing in 12, 24, and even 48 hours ahead. We look at that not only based upon current conditions, but expected conditions with communications with the National Weather Service and other fire behavior analysts. Yeah, absolutely. For those who have not been currently impacted by the fire, they need to prepare as if they are going to be impacted by the fire.
Report on this, it's at the East Valley Community Center on Valley Parkway in Escondido. And also like to thank the City of Carlsbad for their ongoing support. They are opening a shelter at Stagecoach Community Park on Camino de los Coches in South Carlsbad. Okay, the best thing to do is for them to go to one of the shelters if they have something to give. We have found in many past disasters that a cash donation is really the most versatile. That allows us to very carefully and quickly target exactly what the citizens need to sustain their lives. So we would ask that you focus on cash donations. However, we will accept, donations in kind at the shelters. Thank you very much. And if you have any additional questions, I'll be happy to answer them.
Do you have any other questions?
Of the 20 structures destroyed, do you know how many were in the mobile home park? How many outside?
I do not, but it was a combination of both. All right, thank you very much.
Runs with water and retardant here. So the fire is not necessarily burning unchecked. We have hundreds of firefighters on the ground that are doing their very best to mitigate some of the damage and the spread of the fire here. But unfortunately, this fire is sweeping through that have been burned down to the slabs here. You can see literally what is left of people's lives, and it's just a sad thing to have to witness here. But the devastation. I'd widen out. One fire, one house on fire here. I know, but just show the neighborhood.